Okay, so here we have our treadmill. Two main safety features, your stopping clip and your emergency stop button. Every time you step on, you're going to want to clip this clip onto you. It's going to prevent you falling off the treadmill. So to just start, we're going to touch the screen. We then have two options. So for a beginner, you're going to look at the quick start options. If you want to come in with any goal-driven aspirations, you're going to be selecting exercises and going through the programs that way. So we'll just start with quick start. Then the treadmill will slowly start to move. On the left-hand side, we have a paddle switch, which will start to increase the incline, mimicking walking uphill. On the right-hand side, we have a speed switch. So you're just going to gently push this up and it will slowly start to increase the speed. You also have a TV feature on the treadmill. So as you're working out, you can select any of the many channels that we have. So we have all different apps that you can then delve into as well. So we have the YouTube app, Facebook, radio, and we also have an outdoor feature. This will then take you on any hikes through numerous places in the world then. To stop, you're just going to press the stop and pause button. If you needed to, you could just have a breather, then restart the exercise from exactly where you left off. You then get a lovely little breakdown of all the different calories that you've burnt, what type of exercise you've been doing, just for you to keep track on any progress that you'll be making.